Hey everybody, it's Mary from marydalba.com here to talk to you about Mars and Mercury entering the sign of Virgo. So let's talk about Mars and Mercury first, then we'll talk about Virgo, then we'll put it all together. So Mars is the planet of action, passion, drive, your work. Can also be a bit of negotiation, but much more of war. Mars is the leader. Then we have Mercury, which is the planet of communications, commerce, and travel. It affects electrical things, technology, things like that. All right, being in Virgo. Virgo is an earth sign, likes to have things grounded, likes to have things proved to them. And they also like to create systems and the ways of doing things. So just a little tip, if you know a Virgo and you start messing with their system or you start messing with something they've done, they may get anxious about that. The other thing about Virgo, which is really interesting to know, is that a Virgo will sometimes tell you something that may actually come off a little bit harsh, but in their mind, they're trying to help. But there's no dilly-dallying. They're not really worried about your emotions. Here's the system. Here's how it's broken. Here's how you need to fix it. On the way you go. So just consider that if during Mars in Virgo or Mercury in Virgo, you get that kind of feedback. So Mars, let me give you those dates. Mars is in Virgo from July 29th to September 14th. Mercury is in Virgo from August 11th to August 29th, so they are going to overlap. So think about what you want from your workspace, from your connections with people, because Mars is a bit of passion. And think about what you want to communicate or what you want to put out there. And think about a system around it or a way of doing things. If you need to express that, Mercury is supporting you in that. If you need to create it, Mars is helping you take the action to do that. So Mars doesn't exactly like to be in an earth sign. It's okay. Mars would much rather be in an action fire sign like a Aries, Leo, or Sag. But with it being in Virgo, it's actually going to give you the space to create the systems that you want in your life. So if you want to start going to the gym 3 times a week, if you want to create some sort of system or project at work, this is a really good time for that. And you'll be able to communicate it in practical ways. So one tip I will give you is that if you do need to bring to someone some information about the system you're creating, have the facts. They are not going to want to hear how touchy-feely it is. That's for other signs. When it's in Virgo, show me how the system's going to work. Show me how it's going to benefit us. Show me how it's going to make things better. Prove it to me. So you need to be practical in your talk. Not that you can't be friendly and kind, but you can't say, hey, everybody's going to love this. That's not enough. You have to say, everybody's going to love this because it's going to make our work 10 times easier because A, B, and C will happen. That'll make things even better. So you have to prove it. So just make sure you choose your words carefully. And also you may get some feedback that may feel a little, that's kind of harsh. But again, it's designed to help you. And when you step back from the hurt that you might have from someone saying something to you, and this could not just be a work person, this could be someone in your family, your love, whatever, you can kind of step back and look at it. Does that make sense for me? And communicate back how that feels. So it is not that things aren't going to be touchy-feely and lovey, but again, you're going to feel more of the practical and maybe work some things out through systems or ways of doing things. Also, Virgo is very concerned about health. So again, Mars and Mercury with health, you can ask for some help around your health. Go see your doctor, get a system in place for that. Maybe have a routine for medicine you need to take, anything of that sort. But this is a good time to focus on your health, take action on it, and ask for help for it. So I hope that helped. If you have questions like what sign is my Mercury in my own chart, or how can I utilize my Mars the best way right now, you can reach out to me at marydalba.com, marydalba.com, or email me at mary@marydalba.com. Thanks. See you next time.